In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off saving photos from journal to photo gallery. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to settings. On the settings, scroll down until you find journal, and then if you scroll down to the very bottom you can easily find that option, save to photos. It allows us to save photos and videos taken in journal to the Photos app. If you would like to activate that option, just tap at that toggle button, and after that if we head over to journal and if we'll take a picture using journal app, the picture will be automatically saved to our Photos app. We can easily check that if we head over to our camera roll. That's where we can find the photo that was taken in journal application. In the same way, if you don't want that to happen, you can easily turn off that option. I prefer to keep it turned off, like in that case. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.